Every year, brands drop hundreds of new models, each claiming to be the lightest, fastest, or most comfortable, but not all of them live up to the hype. If you're on the hunt for the best running shoes of 2025, stop scrolling because these are the best pairs worth considering. I've narrowed it down to the 6 best options for every type of runner, whether you want them for racing, hitting the trails, or just need a solid everyday trainer. I'll have something for everyone. All the links to find the best prices on all the products mentioned in this video will be in the description below. Please note that the products mentioned in this video are in no exact order, so be sure to stay tuned so you don't miss anything. Number 6 is the Adidas Supernova Rise. This is the most budget-friendly option on our list. Adidas has stepped up with this budget trainer and given it the full flagship treatment. It's upgraded in many aspects. The new Dreamstrike Plus foam in the midsole is softer and bouncier. It's like a mix between their older Boost foam and Light Strike, but better. The upper is stretchy, breathable, and super comfy, great for long miles. And if you're someone who likes a snug fit, the Comfort Heel Fit design hugs your heel so you feel locked in without any annoying pressure. The outsole gives you full rubber coverage for solid traction, even though it's not Continental rubber. Weight-wise, it comes in at about 9.7 ounces, which is fairly light for a daily trainer. On top of that, Adidas added support rods under the foam to give you a smooth and stable heel-to-toe transition. So if you want cushioning but hate that wobbly feeling, some soft shoes have this setup keeps things steady without being overly stiff. It's more like a cushioned everyday running shoe, but if you need something reliable for daily miles or even just a comfortable casual sneaker, the Supernova Rise is a solid pick. Number 5 is the Saucony Endorphin Pro 3. This is the best option for racing on our list. If you're serious about speed, this shoe will push you forward. It has Saucony's Speed Roll technology, which is paired with a carbon fiber plate that helps you roll right into your next stride with minimal effort. The midsole is packed with PW-RR-UNPB foam and gives you that soft yet responsive feel. With a 39.5mm stack height in the heel, you're getting max cushioning without breaking any race regulations. Plus, it's softer than previous versions, which makes it a real contender for marathon racing, not just short bursts. As Devin reviews, "Ran my first marathon in these, and they felt great. The carbon plate was responsive enough to keep me going but didn't hurt my feet. Definitely need a few runs in them to get used to the responsiveness." The upper is ultra-light, almost see-through mesh that keeps your feet cool while locking you in, and the fit feels snug but not restrictive, exactly what you want in a race day shoe. One big upgrade is the outsole. Saucony increased the rubber coverage for better durability, though some runners say it still feels a little slippery on wet roads. But if you're sticking to dry pavement, this thing is dialed in for performance. Overall, if you're looking for a race-ready shoe that balances speed, comfort, and durability, the Endorphin Pro 3 is a great choice. Number 4 is the ASICS Gel Kayano 31. This is the best stability shoe on our list. If you need extra support but don't want to feel like you're wearing bricks on your feet, this one has the perfect balance. It's built with ASICS 4D guidance system, which gives you adaptive stability. It adjusts to how your foot moves so you get support without feeling locked in. In the midsole, ASICS uses FF Blast Plus Eco Foam, which is soft but still responsive, and Pure Gel Tech in the heel to absorb impact, so it feels smooth and comfortable whether you're on a long run or just walking. The upper has been tweaked for better breathability, and there's a knit collar that gives a snug, cushioned fit. However, there's one thing to note. This shoe runs a bit roomy. If you're between sizes and prefer a snugger fit, you might want to go half a size down. Overall, the ASICS Gel Kayano 31 is cushioned, smooth, and great for keeping your stride balanced on those high-mileage weeks. Bob sums it up perfectly. Very satisfied, exactly as I wanted. Fit like expected, and very comfortable. And if you want to know the latest prices for the running shoes discussed in this video, be sure to click the links below. And if you're having a good time watching this video, we would love it if you hit that subscribe button. Number 3 is the ASICS Gel Nimbus 27. This one is best for cushioning on our list. If you love that soft, cloud-like feel underfoot, this might be your new favorite shoe. ASICS has upgraded the midsole foam and made it softer, lighter, and just a little more plush. You'll feel like running on pillows. but without losing that little bit of snap you need when picking up the pace. The jacquard mesh upper wraps around your foot for a snug but breathable fit, and ASICS even made it with 75% recycled material, so you're getting comfort with a side of eco-friendliness. The grip on the outsole has been improved too, though it's still not the best in wet conditions. Just something to keep in mind if you run in the rain a lot. Another thing ASICS nailed is the tongue. It's one of the most comfortable you'll find in a running shoe, stretching just right to hug your foot without any weird pressure points. Plus, they kept the roomy toe box, so if you like a little extra space up front, you're good to go. Now, this is definitely a shoe built for easy runs, long miles, and recovery days. It's not cheap, but it's built to last, so if you're looking for the most comfort, this is the best option. Number 2 is the Salomon Speedcross 6. This one is best for trails on our list. This shoe is for you if you want to run through mud, climb steep inclines, or just want a shoe that digs into the ground hard. The Speedcross 6 is all about grip. It bites into dirt, mud, and even wet trails like nothing else. At just 9.4 ounces, it's lighter than its previous model, which is a big deal for a shoe like this. The outsole uses Salomon's proprietary Contagrip rubber, and it's aggressive with deep lugs that grip like claws, which makes it a top pick for uphill runs and sloppy conditions. It also has great durability. People have pushed past 700 miles in previous versions, and this one's expected to hit that or even 1,000. As Tyler says, I've been wearing mine daily for 2 to 3 months. Very lightweight, breathable, and extremely durable. The tread is very aggressive. It's like wearing a mud tire. Tread has 0 signs of wear. Comfort-wise, it's firm, not a plush ride. The midsole, called Energy Cell Plus, gives good energy return, but leans more on stability than softness. The fit runs true to size, but is a little narrow in the midfoot, so keep that in mind. One small downside is that the tongue isn't gusseted, so while it keeps most of the grit out, a full gusset would have made it even better. But for the price, you're getting one of the best built trail shoes out there. If you need something that grips the ground like glue and lasts forever, the Speedcross 6 is the best pick. Number 1 is the ASICS Novablast 5. This is the best overall option on our list. This is a daily trainer that does a bit of everything, like long runs, short jogs, and even some speed work. The Novablast series has a solid reputation, and this version keeps the streak alive. The midsole is now FF Blast Max, which is lighter and softer than before, which makes each step feel more cushioned without losing that springy bounce. It has a trampoline-inspired outsole, which sounds gimmicky, but it actually helps with responsiveness, giving you a little boost with each step. The upper is an engineered jacquard mesh, so it's breathable and comfortable. They've updated the tongue wing construction to keep it in place, so there's no more annoying tongue movement mid-run. One thing ASICS nailed here is the balance between comfort and stability. The rocker shape helps smooth out your stride, and the cushioning absorbs impact without feeling mushy. It's a true all-rounder, which is fast enough for tempo runs, but cushioned enough for easy days. That said, if you often run in wet conditions, just be aware that the grip on wet pavement isn't amazing. It's not a deal breaker, but it's something to consider. At an affordable price, it's one of the best overall trainers out there. If you want one go-to pair for most of your runs, this is an easy top choice. And there you have it. We hope this selection simplifies your decision-making process and makes your quest for the perfect running shoe much easier. And if you guys found this video valuable, we would love it if you hit that subscribe button. And be sure to check out the description for the links to find the latest pricing on all the products mentioned. Until next time.